Now that you've decided how to structure your data, it's time to write the code that will write these shopping list items into the correct location and read them as well.
Okay, so on our shopping list page, we currently have a useless button for adding more items. When I click Add Item here, doesn't really do anything. Here's what I want you to do. When you click the fab and you enter the name of the item, and you press Add Item, what it should do is it should see what shopping list you're on, go to a node called Shopping List Items, use the push ID for the shopping list that you're currently on, and create an item under that push ID. Did you catch all that? Let me show you a quick example. Say I've got a shopping list with a push ID 1234. When I want to add a new item such as bacon to this shopping list, it'll go to this node Shopping List Items, make a node with the same key as the shopping list up here, and then put the bacon item there. If I wanted to then add lettuce and tomato to the same list with the key 1234, they would also be added to the node Shopping List Items with the child 1234. Now you might have noticed that I didn't tell you what the keys for these would be. What you want to make these keys is up for you to figure out. And just to drive what's going on home, let's say that I have another list with the push key 1999, and I wanted to add cooking oil. That would look like this. Instead of adding it on to the list of items in 1234, you would go to the list 1999 and make a new item there. Getting the data to add in the correct place is the trickiest part of this exercise. Remember that you should have saved the list ID in a member variable called mListID. Just like when we started to have multiple shopping lists, start by just getting the data to appear in the Firebase backend. Once you've got the data correctly adding itself in the backend, then you should set up a Firebase list adapter that will display your items here. This actually really isn't much different than when we added the Firebase list adapter in the shopping list fragment. So you can refer to that if you need to. I'll send over a spec now. Oh, and finally, sorry, before I forget, you should remember also that when you delete a list, using this remove dialog, that it should also delete all the items that are associated with the list. Okay, good luck.